Hi everyone, welcome back our YouTube channel. My name is Tania. I am a Senior PPC Executive at Softtrix. Today we are back with educational video. Today I am going to tell you how to import Google Ads campaign into Bing ad account. So let's get started step by step. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in the Google AdWords account and Microsoft Ad account. So both accounts should be open, and after that you have to go Microsoft Ad and you will be see left side import option. So here you can import from the Google Ad account, from the Meta, from the Pinterest ads, from the file as well. So now we are going to import the data from the Google. So click on the import from Google Ads. So after that you will be see the two option, one for quick setup and other for customize. So I always suggest you to choose the customize so that you can customize your import setting and set the scheduling as well. After that click on the customize, and now the main thing is you have to sign in. You have to link your AdWords account ID with the Microsoft so that we can fetch the data. So just link the ID, and after that you can see here you have to link. We have linked the ID, and now we can go for the further. So now you have to select your Google AdWords account. So just select your AdWords account. So this is the basically account. Click on select, and after that next. Click on the next, and here you can customize the setting at your end what you want. So basically all the setting is good for my end. So I will start importing the campaign. So just click on the start importing the campaign. So basically all the campaign has been imported in the Microsoft account. So you can see here all the campaigns. Currently I have just paused them, but the thing is like we have successfully imported the campaign.